Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to change the language on your smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. After you open the app, you should see the My Day page. On it, you should see the icon with your Vivosmart 4 rather. If you don't see it, you can tap on the menu icon right here. Come on, open the menu. Then tap on Garmin devices and you should see the list of devices right here, and you can tap on your Vivosmart. But if you see the icon on the health page, you can simply tap on the icon of the watch right here and it will open the same page as this, basically the device page for your Vivosmart 4. And once you open this page, find the general option and tap on it, and here select the language option. It will open the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down, find the language you would like to use on your smartband, select it, and once you select the language, go back to the device page of your smartband. It should say settings saved successfully, and it should sync your smartband with your phone. Wait until it's done syncing, and once it's done, the settings should be applied. So if we wake up the screen, open the menu, settings, and for example, info, you can see that the language changed. If it doesn't change, make sure that the device is synced. So to do it, simply tap on this icon right here to force sync them. And once it's done, the settings should be applied. And once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you change the language on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.